Chapter 1. Sleep. Lesson 1. Why you need to sleep.
Key words: brain, bone, skin, cut, heel, pajamas.
Why you need to sleep. It's time for bed, your mom says. Do I have to, you ask? Yes. Your body and brain both need sleep to be healthy. First, your body has to rest. You are awake all day, so your body gets tired. Sleep also helps your hair, bones, and skin grow. If you have any cuts, sleep makes them heal faster. Sleep is also important for your brain. You learn lots of things at school. Your brain needs sleep to remember these things. Sleep also helps you focus and have new ideas in class. So put on your pajamas and get in bed. You need 10 to 11 hours of sleep every night. Sleep tight tonight and stay healthy.
Lesson 2. Interesting animal sleeping habits. Key words: lie down, run away, seaweed, ocean, float, hold. Interesting animal sleeping habits. You can see sleeping animals at the zoo. Many animals just lie down to sleep. But some animals have interesting sleeping habits. Horses stand and listen while they sleep, so they can easily run away from danger. They don't fall because they have strong legs. Otters wrap themselves in seaweed and sleep. The seaweed is connected to the ocean floor. That way, the otters don't float away from the other otters. Sometimes they also hold hands and sleep. Dolphins sleep with half of their brains. The other half is awake. They also sleep with one eye open. That way, they can watch for hungry sharks. Thanks to their sleeping habits, these animals can sleep safely and happily.
Lesson 3. Siesta time.
Key words: wake up, relax, nap, tradition, temperature, break.
Siesta time. Dear Sierra, Hi, it's your pen pal, Carlos. I just woke up from a siesta. In Spain, siestas are times to relax or take a nap in the afternoon. They are a good tradition. Spanish people take siestas because Spain is very hot. The temperature in Madrid is often over 40 degrees Celsius on summer afternoons. People usually don't work during these hot afternoons. At siesta time, some people go home. They eat a big lunch with their families. They talk and relax. If they get sleepy, they take a nap. Spanish kids are lucky. Most schools have a siesta from 12 to 3. This gives me a long break every day. I love taking siestas. You should visit Spain and enjoy them too. Your pen pal, Carlos.
Lesson 4. Dreaming with the Sandman. Key words: magic, change, throw, dust, naughty, wipe. Dreaming with the Sandman. Did you have a good dream last night? If so, the Sandman visited you. But who is the Sandman? In 1841, Hans Christian Andersen wrote about the Sandman. The Sandman is a magic man. His coat changes colors when he moves. He also loves children. Every night, the Sandman visits children around the world. But they never see him. He throws magic dust in their eyes. Soon they fall asleep. Then the Sandman puts an umbrella over each child. Umbrellas with pictures bring dreams to good children. But naughty children get umbrellas without pictures. They don't dream about anything. In the morning, all the children wake up. They wipe the Sandman's dust from their eyes. Maybe he'll bring you a beautiful dream tonight.